Hello everyone and welcome back to New Ray. Today, we will discuss GST, which stands for Goods and Services Tax. GST filing is important for businesses because it helps maintain legal, financial, and operational stability. Here are some simple reasons why everyone should take GST filing seriously. Legal compliance. Filing GST returns is required by Indian tax laws for all registered businesses. Regular filing helps avoid penalties, fines, and the risk of losing GST registration. Staying compliant ensures that businesses can operate smoothly without legal issues. Claiming input tax credit. One major benefit of GST is the ability to claim input tax credit. This allows businesses to reduce their tax bill by offsetting the taxes they have already paid on purchases. However, to claim these credits, timely and accurate GST filings are necessary. Missing deadlines can lead to losing out on these benefits and increasing costs. Maintaining transparency. GST filing creates a clear record of all sales, purchases, and taxes paid. This transparency helps reduce fraud and mistakes in business transactions. It also ensures that businesses have organized financial records, which are important for audits. Supporting the nation, the revenue from GST plays a vital role in funding public services and infrastructure development. By filing GST returns on time, businesses contribute to the country's economic growth and progress. In summary, GST filing is not only a legal requirement but also a way to improve financial efficiency and integrity while supporting the country's development. For more details and a free consultation, contact us.